Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and this video is going to be a little bit different. I figured I would make a monthly kind of progress vlog just to show what I've been working on, since I don't know to what extent I'm going to be able to be finishing costume pieces in the coming months. Considering everything that's going on, I'm very fortunate to have a fabric stash that I can work off of. However, I may not have everything needed to complete a costume, but I still wanted to make a video and show what I've been up to. So the first thing that you've probably been looking at while I've been rambling has been the school uniform for School Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Last Black Friday I picked up a lot of materials for Demon Slayer costumes, so that's probably what I'm going to be working on primarily. So it's been a couple weeks since I last filmed. I haven't had a whole lot of motivation for sewing, but I did knock out this Valentine's inspired dress. It's based off of Isabel's green dress from her amiibo card, and I'll probably be wearing it as Isabel, just reusing the ears and tail from my previous Isabel costumes. This was just a personal project I didn't film the making of because it's exactly the same construction method as I used for my Christmas Isabel. Just instead of the leaf, I added a little applique heart here. There is some lace around the collar, and then I had this Valentine's Day ribbon that I just added on here to bring more of the heart theme in. I did the satin ribbon around the waist, and it wasn't popping as much as I would like since it's such a close color to the fabric, so I added some more of the heart trim onto it. And then it just ties in a bow in the back, and I use the same lace from around the collar to trim the bottom of the skirt just to continue the design further down. And I also made a matching hair bow using up some more of the trim. Though now that that costume's done, it's time to clean up the mess that I have lying around everywhere. So it's been about a week since I last updated, and I was going through my fabric stash trying to figure out what I wanted to work on next, and I decided on Sakura from Zombieland Saga, her Halloween outfit. This is from a line of keychains that they released of all the main characters in Halloween-inspired outfits, and I just thought her witch design was super cute. I probably won't do the zombie makeup just because I really don't have any desire to do body paint, but I broke down the outfit, I sketched it out, and then wrote down everything I would need to complete it down to like thread, and then compared that to what I had in my stash, see whether or not it was feasible, what I would have to order, and it seems like this will work, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that. I ordered some purple thread and ribbon, and that came in yesterday, so good to get started. I have this purple cotton left over from making asana, so it's a little bit of a scrap, but it should be enough to make the bow and then the hat band. And then there is this purple cotton that has a metallic print on it. So instead of having lavender, it's going to be purple and silver, but I think that'll work really well for the whole idol thing, and then it's a witch, so it works for magic, and I just thought this would be a fun material to use. I got this, I think, September of last year. It's been in my stash for a while, waiting for me to start on this project. And I also made her bow out of some cotton, and I just made it using the same method that I used to make her purple and, not purple, her pink and blue bow that she wears most of the series. So it is now May, so I figured it is time to end the video. Figured I'd end it by showing some progress on the witch hat for Sakura. As you can see, I still need to sew the lining in, but it is almost done, and it'll be finished in a future video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of progress vlog type thing, and I'll see you in a future video. Thank you so much for watching.